Injuries to people from construction zones, construction contractors, people who are at work, have a workers' comp case, people who are injured by a third-party contractor have a third-party liability case. Good morning. I'm attorney Neil Burns. We're going to talk a little bit today about construction injuries, construction accidents. I've been practicing law for over 35 years, and I have a lot of clients who have been victims in construction cases. They tend to be workers, and they get workers' compensation from their company, and they're discouraged from pursuing what we call a third-party case. And they shouldn't be, because the workers' comp covers some things, but it doesn't really cover much, and it certainly doesn't cover pain and suffering. So we look into liability by the other contractors on the scene. Or you could just be someone who comes upon a construction scene where there's no workers' comp. In any event, contractors go through OSHA, they go through lots of regulations, they go through lots of insurance qualifications, and we can get those records, we can get those reports, we can look into what happened, what is the history of the construction site where someone fell. I'm going to give you an example of something we did in a construction case. We represented a woman who was a worker, and she was sent from one place to another place to do work that day in Lexington, and there was a construction site there. She didn't know about it because she was from another work site, same company but a different site, and she went through a doorway and the threshold was different. It was under contract to be changed, and she tripped and fell and injured her right shoulder, her major shoulder. She had to have surgery. She suffered permanent loss of function, and the contractor insurance company didn't really know what to do. They needed a huge push. So we put it in suit. We pushed. We got the rules and regulations. We got the contracts. We got the witnesses who had been on the scene who could talk about this threshold where our client fell. And we got an expert report from her doctor. And finally, after a significant amount of time in litigating the case, we got an excellent result and a mediation for our client because we did the work. If you or a family member has been injured in a construction case, if there's a third-party potential case, give us a call. It's a free consultation. We want to help you. We have the experience in working against the contractor insurance companies, and we can help you. Give us an opportunity to help you. Thank you.